Hi guys, today we gonna flashback on nostalgia. Yes, we will talk about the original iPhone. The original iPhone launched 10 years ago on the 9th of January 2007 and was available to buy in the UK in November 2007. But the 29th of June marks the 10-year anniversary of the day the original iPhone went on sale in the US. Here, you can revisit our original review, which highlights how far the iPhone has come since then. Among those who queued up on the 9th of November to buy an iPhone were several members of the Macworld team. And we have been putting it to the test ever since. Though these days we're more interested in the current iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, and upcoming iPhone 8. So what do we think? There's plenty to love, and plenty to lament about Apple's new mobile. With its solid design and a beautiful, touch-sensitive 480x 320 pixel screen, the iPhone is beautiful to look at and a joy to use. Its browser, while not as versatile as the one on a desktop or laptop, is impressive and, at a stroke, has made all other mobile internet devices look antiquated and woeful. And of course, it works fine for making phone calls. But there is a dark side to the iPhone. Activation requires signing up for an expensive 18-month service plan with O2, the UK's largest mobile service provider. Unlike most mobile phone deals, you need to pay £269 for the phone as well as a top-tier monthly contract, and there is no mention of an upgrade offer when the contract finishes. To add insult to injury, the 18-month contract may well outlast the usefulness of the sealed-in battery. Living on the edge. Money aside, the iPhone also faces several technical hurdles in the UK. It doesn't work with O2's 3G data network, let alone anything forward-looking such as HSDPA or, God forbid, a pre-4G revision 8 standard. Instead, it uses a little-known standard called Edge. This offers performance well below that of 3G. If you decide to buy an iPhone and take out an 18-month contract with Apple and O2, do so with your eyes open and be aware that there are many better deals out there. You are paying over the odds to own an iPhone. You'll be in a privileged minority, because we'd wager that the general public will not be buying the iPhone at this price. But if you're prepared to pay the premium, you'll end up with a wonderful device.